So this was all great. Let's get to the really important stuff, the free stuff. That's what we came here for, right? And to listen to me talk, I hope. But yeah, let's take a look at the toolkit here. This is how you get the toolkit, and everything I've shown you today with the automations, the headlines, every text message, it all starts with a prompt. And I know writing prompts can feel overwhelming because sometimes you're not sure exactly how to word things, and that's exactly why I created this. This AI, I spent tons of time developing the right way to talk to AI in a way that you can get the best results from them. And that's why this AI prompt playbook that's called How Foundation Repair and Waterproofing Pros Can Double Their Leads in 30 Days is so effective. This toolkit will give you proven plug-and-play prompts that you can just copy, paste, and then just start right away in ChatGPT, and there's no guesswork. Inside, you'll get prompts for tuning your homepage into a lead magnet, writing Google or Facebook ads, crafting emails, crafting the SMS follow-ups, generating AI images or video scripts, or even converting your blog content into YouTube Shorts and Reels. It's the same playbook. We've used it to generate thousands of leads all across the country, and now I'm just giving it to you 100% for free, and that's just for showing up today. And all you have to do is just scan this QR code here that you see on the screen. It'll take you to a Google Drive, and you'll be able to download it from there. It is a pretty hefty looking file, but it's because we did it right. We wanted to take our time to actually make it look good, make it appealing, so it's not just a boring text, oh, here, put this here, put this here. It actually walks you through it. Seriously, if you've been wanting a reason to get started with an AI, this is it, and this is how I would use it. So again, scan this QR code here. You'll get access to the Google Drive. You'll download it from there and start using it right away. A recap here: we've covered what you've seen here. Covered a lot of it just to kind of show you what's possible. You've seen the tools that we're using. You've seen a real demo, you've seen a real case study, but the real power is in what you do next. So here's just a simple step-by-step path that you can take without, getting overwhelmed, and just pick one channel. Don't try to overdo everything at once. Just start with your website or your ads or just one follow-up process, just one, and grab the right prompts from the toolkit that's already working, copy, paste, and then customize it for your business. Plug these into your campaigns, or if you want to start working with us, you can use Client Maximize, and we'll plug all this in for you. Wherever you manage your marketing, just insert that AI generated content there and you're off to the races. Then you launch and you make sure you track it and get it live so that you can see what all that data is that's coming in, and you can tell what's working. You remember, you always got to track this stuff too. It's really important to do that, because then you'll know exactly what's working and you can double down on the winnings, and you can stay away from the ones that didn't win. And then the next thing you can do is repurpose this across all your channels. You'll take one prompt and you'll turn it maybe into a blog post or a Facebook post, or you want to start creating short videos, or maybe just a follow-up email. And you don't need to be a text expert. You can just make this a repeatable process, and then you just keep doing it over and over again. And you've already taken the first step today just by being here. Now, let's go get some results. Let's start working on that business. Let's start using some of these prompts a little more effectively in our business in the areas that we need them in the most.